Zart, what are you doing by the toaster? Are you doing something naughty again? Buddy's inside the toaster? Zart, what are you thinking? And you have it on 450 degrees? We better get Buddy out. Oh, I still cannot believe you did this. Look at him. You almost burnt him to a crisp. Good thing I have cinnamon. Let's hope he gets better. Lots of cinnamon. So first you cut off his legs and his arms and his head, and now you're trying to burn him in the toaster? Zart, why would you do this? Comment down below if your elf on the shelf has ever done anything bad. Well, if you like this video, don't forget, down below, you're welcome to like this. And also, Buddy's all better. Oh, thank goodness. I was getting so worried about you, Buddy. Thank goodness we had a little bit of that cinnamon left. Well, like I was saying, you can also subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, and you can see more crazy, silly things my elves do, even if they're sometimes bad. Well, bye guys. Thanks again. I'm so glad Buddy's doing better now.